Good morning, my dear friends. How are you? After a long time, I'm coming before you. I have come to talk to you about a very important topic. My books, which are going to be useful to you or to your children or to your staff member, younger generation. I am giving some lectures basing this book so that you can become or your children can become senior executive level positions of industrial organization. His name of the book is called K. Hariharan's Time Pass and Value Addition Books, K. Hariharan Special Books towards executive positions in industrial oblique commercial organizations. These are opinion of K. Hariharan. In this book, I am going to deal about career orientation, how a young man, a college student, can reach executive positions in case he wants to become, if she wants to become executive, what are the qualities, what are the basic thoughts she or he should have so that in future days they can designate themselves as presidents, executive directors, head of the departments like that. Making use of this book, I am going to discuss daily or periodically 5 minutes so that my lecture becomes useful to your younger generation. I request the MBA students, engineers, college students, final year students, chartered accountants, company secretaries, please go through these lectures and I am 101% sure that you will get a very nice idea about this. When I am talking to you, it is not that I am teaching to you. We will be in a position to give certain ideas to you, then your mind starts working. A spark may come into your mind through our lectures so that you imagine your future, your career, your way of working. You assess yourselves how to proceed further in your life. These topics are like that only. Using this book, I am talking to you. I request the parents and teachers, HODs, to please request your children or your staff members, junior members, to please hear these lectures so that they become positive daily. They have some way to think about themselves, and it will be very useful to the society, for the organization, for the industry, and for the person himself, herself. Understanding. This work I am going to write about this work is this book. Now, then I will talk about the organization structure, organizational structure of normally a industry. When the industry we start, when we are running industry, what are the departments available? Because when you become an executive in life, you should know what are the departments in the industry so that those will come under you. That you should start knowing from now itself. I always tell one thing to you, people know me well. My friends definitely will say that when Hariharan speaks, he speaks for the betterment of the people to whom he is speaking. I am 101% sure. They will recommend me like this only. So, I am talking to the fact your career orientation talks to you. This book you may order to me whenever you get time. You give WhatsApp to me. In future days, I will be in a position to give this book. It is a special book that is not available in the market. It gives some information to your children. I will request, if in case you are a lecturer, your departmental head of colleges, please ask your students to hear these lectures. Definitely is going to be useful to them. So second chapter will be a short note on organization structure. Then third will be executive positions in an organization. What are the positions available in an organization? What are the qualifications they need it? We will talk about it. I always tell that every human is a HR or PR officer. Every human being is a human relations manager, officer, or a public relation officer. This is applicable to everybody. Whether he is employee or not, he is a public relation officer. I can sell myself if I am a public relation officer properly. I can present myself if I am in a position to talk proper public relations. So how to do it? We can discuss about this. Using these chapters, I will talk something useful to you. Simply talking about positive thinking, good determination, that is not going to work. We have to talk to point to point. Okay. Next, what are the qualifications normally we require to become an officer in particular section? That also we will discuss. We will discuss what the management or what the juniors expect from us. This is a very, very important topic. What I am talking to is that management is expecting something from us. Our other staffs are expecting something from us. How to balance ourselves so that we become seniors, executives in our life. Okay. We have to talk about the human psychology, human nature, expectations, and our emotions. We should think about it. We should talk something about it. In this book, we will deal, in our chapter, we will deal these things also. Okay. Then I am coming to the communication point, way of talking, leadership acceptance, risk taking, everything we will talk in future. Sailing through various departments, that is a very important topic. See, when you want to become executive, you should know what are the departments available, what are they doing, what are their activities, what are the problems those departments face. Like that, we should understand it so that we can be the executive of the organization. Okay. Then we'll come to a conclusion. Fine. This is what going to be the book. We will have a discussion. This is my first lecture. I will go to next chapter, that is about this book, tomorrow or next video. I request my friends who are seniors, please recommend this book to your juniors. Not this book only, my lectures also. Tell them that Mr. Hariharan is giving lecture, so and so link, so that they can hear me. I am giving slow lectures in English so that our people understand well. I can talk in Hindi also, but what I am particularly talking in English so that the people, all the people all over India make use of my talks. I am not a senior man, but I am sure I am a very, very practical. I am a very, very experienced man. I have done a lot of things for the society, industries. That is why I have authority in talking about these things that my friends will definitely certify this one. So using this book, I am going to talk to you about certain topics which are directly related to your career. Okay. Another thing that I write certain books specially available to only to the younger generation. You may talk to me. You can tell your people if you find any of such topics somewhere, books written by K. Hariharan, please go for it. You will not get anything in the bookshop. You have to talk to my people, my friends, and I am 101% sure that my books will be much useful to you. And thanks for hearing me. I will talk to you tomorrow or in next video again. I request your cooperation. I need your help. You know better that what I preach, what I teach, what I guide is always for betterment of the society, young people, generation, industries, to the management, promoters. Whatever I talk is for them only, for the society only. Unless otherwise we all get benefited, nothing is called positiveness. Okay, so my lecture ends here. My first lecture on this topic towards executive positions. Towards executive positions, we'll give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. We'll talk point wise. Okay, thanks for hearing me. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Have a successful day. Have good friends with you. Enjoy the day. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.